case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard a 2004 case, Cooper Industries Inc. v. Aviall Services Inc., which centered on the interpretation of CERCLA's provisions on cost recovery and contribution. The Comprehensive Environmental Response, Compensation, and Liability Act of 1980, CERCLA, allows the federal government to clean up contaminated areas or compel responsible parties to perform the cleanup and recover its costs under Section 107, the Cost Recovery section. The case involved Aviall Services Inc., a private party seeking contribution from Cooper Industries Inc. for cleanup costs of contaminated aircraft engine maintenance sites in Texas under CERCLA Section 113, F1. The court ruled that Aviall could not pursue a contribution claim under Section 113, F1 because the statute only allows such claims during or following a civil action under Section 106 or Section 107A, which Aviall was not subject to. To sue for contribution under CERCLA Section 113F, a party must have a pending or adjudged Section 106 administrative order or Section 107A cost recovery action against them, or their contribution claim must arise during or following a civil action under Section 106 or Section 107A of CERCLA. The Supreme Court reversed the Fifth Circuit's judgment and remanded the case for further proceedings. The court withheld judgment on whether a private party can pursue a Section 107A action against other responsible parties for joint and several liability, and whether Aviall has an implied right to contribution under Section 107.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.